In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infinite slider gallery in Wix Studio. This is a great way to showcase a series of images or videos in a dynamic and engaging way on your website. To get started, open your Wix dashboard and navigate to the website editor. Once you're there, locate the add icon, which looks like a plus sign. You'll find this in the left-hand toolbar, and it's your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your site. Click on the plus icon, and you'll see a list of category options. Look for the one labeled Gallery. Click on that, and a whole new world of possibilities will open up in front of you. You'll notice that there are multiple gallery types to choose from, each offering a unique way to display your images or videos. For our purpose today, you can choose any gallery option that suits your aesthetic. Just know that some might work better than others, depending on your specific needs. Once you've decided on a gallery type, drag and drop it onto your site. This is as simple as clicking on your chosen gallery and then dragging it over to the desired location on your page. As you do this, you might see various highlighted areas that suggest potential drop zones. Feel free to experiment with different placements until you find what works best for your layout. After positioning your gallery, you'll want to customize it to match the look and feel of your site. You can easily do this by clicking on the gallery, which will open up a settings panel. Here, you can edit details like the number of images displayed at a time, the spacing between them, and the overall style of the gallery. Take your time to explore these settings and make adjustments that best fit your vision. Now, let's add some media. Make sure you have a selection of images or video clips ready to go. You can either upload these directly from your computer or select from any media files you've previously uploaded to Wix. If you haven't uploaded your media yet, click on Upload Media to get started. Once your files are in, simply select them, and they will automatically populate within your gallery. For a more polished look, you might also consider adding captions or links to each media item. This can be done in the Settings panel, and it's a fantastic way to add depth and context to your images or videos. Finally, review your infinite slider to ensure everything is functioning smoothly and that the transitions look seamless. And there you have it, a beautiful infinite slider gallery that's custom tailored to enhance your Wix site. Feel free to experiment with different configurations and designs to suit your needs best. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and we can't wait to see what you create.